What is business insurance? Business insurance is a form of risk management used to protect and your company from financial loss in the event of an accident in crisis. According to the Rory Devin, another of the CTO/CIO Bible, Nestle in UK 2019, it is the vital for business to apply for insurance because it will help cover to the cost associated with property damage and liability claims. If you are without business insurance as an owner, could you run the very real risk having paid to out of pocket and costly damage and legal claims against your company? Damon said, depending on the cost, this could efficiently shut down your business without insurance, meaning that although you may not need to claim on insurance, often just one of the could to see insurance cost paying for itself straightway. While business insurance is important, there are no so many types. It can be difficult to know which you truly need. This guide will help you understanding the many types of business insurance out of there which apply to your business. If you are without business insurance as an owner, you could run a very deal risk of having pay out of pocket for costly damages and legal claims against for your company. Devin said, depending on the cost, this could efficiently shut down your business without insurance, meaning that although you may not need to claim on insurance, often just one could use to the insurance cost paying for itself straightway. While business insurance is important, there are so many types it can be difficult to know which you truly need. This guide help you to understand many types of business insurance there which apply to your business. Insurance to protect your business liability. Some of the most essential business insurance types protect the family from liability. The type of liability insurance you need will depend on your business and service you provide. Let's explore some popular types of liability insurance. General liability insurance. General liability insurance, also known as business or commercial liability insurance, it is essential coverage for the various claims including bodily injury, property damage, personal or advertising injury, medical payments, product, complete operations and damages, premises rented to you. Virtually very small business owner of the contractor you could have to from the general liability insurance when buying small business insurance and comparing policies. Keep in the mind that you will rates will depend on your business specific features. Business owner policy BOP. If you want to general liability insurance and property coverage, you can package them together in a small owners if insurance policy as known as BOP. A BOP provides liability coverage from the customer injury, property damages and product related claims in addition to the commercial building in the movable property coverage. Many BOP also including business interruption coverage which pays Many BOP also include business interruption coverage which pays your lost revenues if you close for a covered claim. The coverage type of ideal of the owners will small, mid-sized business like restaurants, retail stores and the wholesalers. Keep in the mind BOP insurance does not cover your employees. Employment Practice Liability Insurance EPLI. Small business with employees often benefit from the employment practice liability insurance. This is insurance type of protect you if you an employee files in claim against for your wrongful and discipline or termination, sexual harassment, discrimination and negligence, evolution, breach of the employment contract, mismanagement of employee benefits or wrongful infliction in emotional distress. Some insurance offer EPLI or standalone coverage, whereas others offers in an insurement to their BOP. Your policy terms and conditions will depend on the coverage you choose, your business type, number of the employees, and the various risk factors to apply in part of the cost of EPLI. Professional liability insurance. Professional liability insurance is also known as errors and omissions. EIO, and insurance protects business that offer personal service. B2C business often use E&O coverage to protect against claims starting their services caused clients financial distress, bodily and injury. Doctor Price insurance is common type of the professional liability insurance. This insurance type is also essential for the professional service providers like consultants and the financial advisors. Cost of the professional liability insurance will vary depending on the industry and profession. For example, a doctor would likely to pay more than CPA contractors professional liability insurance. If your business in the design, build, in construction management industry, you are required to purchase some form of contractors professional liability insurance. This coverage protects professionals engaged in the construction errors or losses incurred when designing in the engineering and constructing in the building. It can also protect from the errors made by the third party vendors associated with product project. Directors and officers DO and liability insurance. If your business has a corporate board of the directors of the advisory committee, you want to DO insurance. This insurance protect to you directors and officers is assessed if they are personally showed the wrongful acts in the company management, e.g. failures and comply with the workplace laws, fraud, theft and the intellectual property and misprision of the company assessed to the Mrs. Company funds. Management liability insurance. Management liability insurance is a combination of the coverage used to the protect private, public, and the non-profit companies of the various board level expresses in the products of the against and risk managing business and the purchased by organization with the board of directors. It typically management liability insurance package includes coverage for the employment practice liability, fiduciary, and the liability DO liability. Product liability insurance. Product liability insurance provides more protection and security than a standard product warranty of the guarantee. This is the coverage product what is your business. If a product causes damage, injury to the third party, or your business faces a product related lawsuit. For example, if your product had a lithium battery that caught the fire, injuring of the consumer, they could show you product liability insurance cover in the instance. Insurance to protect business property and the incumbent. Your company property is essential to your operations, and damage to any uninsured property can be costly to repair. Various property insurance types can protect your buildings, automobiles, and other incumbents. The type of coverage you can will need to depend on property you own or rent. Commercial property insurance. Commercial property insurance protect your physical assets, building, incumbents, inventory, tools, furniture, and personal property, and coverage financial losses due to property damage from the fire and theft losses. Property insurance. Property insurance coverage ranges from the basic of the comprehensive, and the pricing scales reflect that all thought small and mid-sized business with physical assets typically need to some from this coverage unless you own your commercial property outright, meaning there is no lien and mortgage against it. Your lender will require to you have this coverage.